Asuntoskeittiö Harjun porras.
Yeah, it's the 10th of August 2021. We have Gummeruksenkatu 30 tickets be here, but we have to get to the staircase A because there's 3 floors. And still an elevator there.
Yeah, I have filmed it.
Yeah, luckily you have at least. But
Yeah.
I'll try next time.
Yeah.
The 6 floors here, the capacity is 3 per 2 rooms. They're going to replace this sadly soon, but we still got this. Also, it was built in 1962, turning 60 years old in the next year, 2022, when it's going to be taking or replaced soon. It's in operation 10947. Lab fornicators.
Mm. Expected bucky-wise, but made it about so now describe this.
Mm.
It's rare that it says henkeä rather than henkilö.
It's more rare, yes.
Yeah.
But I've seen it in several elevators
Yes,
in several cities.
Yeah, but still.
Yeah. But still it is of course more rare.
Yeah. And these are going to be modernized or replaced. I'm not sure when, but still.
Might be any time.
Yeah.
And that's why I also have to get to the staircase A.
Yeah.
And is there also a staircase C here?
No, or it the staff elevator.
Ah.
Just for some offices, second 2 floors or something.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.
That's it.